Do you press play?
What?
Do you press record?
No.
No, really.
No, really.
No, really.
No, really.
No.
No,
So it's just
serious.
there?
Yeah. I do stuff. Okay.
You just put it there? So I could talk about...
Honey mix.
Honey mix. Honey... That's... Mix you. Mix who? Mix, you know.
Let's see if I can get some. Damn, I'm gonna choke on that.
That was a bad laugh.
Right,
Your dog's
not
gonna eat
handball.
that. Huh? Where did it go?
I made it! Awkward silence in 80 seconds. Oh, weird.
Weird, so funny.
It's raining, it's pouring, that old fart is not. Wait, what is it called? The old fart.
No, man, it's not. No, it's raining, it's pouring, the old man. What is it? It's raining, it's pouring.
The old fart.
No, the old man is snoring. He went
to bed and bumped his head and woke up in the morning.
He never woke up in the morning.
Duh. That's for his old fart.
See those squeaky little laughs? Not my favorite.
You like the eye.
I like my hair to be clean. And my hair. I want to show.
My butt hurts.
I know it does. Because Riley, you hear that? Even though she lives on Rice Road, or off of Rice Road, or whatever she said last night. It was off of Rice Road, huh? It was off of Rice Road.
You want to have your bread?
No.
I never wanted it.
Yes, you did.
Okay.
I know you.
I'm hungry.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Oh, God.
You guys.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Seepika. Seepika. God, Alex, I love her. It's Alma's world.
Who's picking you up today?
Joe. Say
Joe who?
Joe Mama. God. Ow. Ow. That hurt. It's in my hair. What's in my hair?
All the hair that was
Repeat. Oh, that was disgusting. That was pretty nasty. It's gone. Oh. What is it? It's really bugging.
bugging.
That one is.
No, that hurt.
No.
What is that?
I don't know. Have a twitch.
Bags in your hair? Jeez.
Have a twitch.
Sorry, I have mental disorder.
joking.
No problem.
Yes, you do. That was good. I'm apparently done.
I don't mess with this door.
I like went and I like I'm like crying. Dude, I'm like crying.
Milk.
No, but literally, I'm like crying. Dude, I like couldn't breathe. I was like okay. Ew, that's not even mine. That's a hairy one.
Don't have any more milk.
Yeah, I don't have any more milk. I'm a mental disorder. I hate you.
My head.
Ow! I said I hate you. No, I hit you.
God.
Ew. There's milk on my leg. Yucky! 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 Lucky? Yucky?
Yucky.
You get it? You did it? You don't? No?
What was that? I think we're done here.
Yeah, pretty. Oh my gosh!
What?
There's so much milk on your bed. Sorry about
Yeah,
that.
because someone laughed. Is that your toe? Ew.
Bye. Triple threat. Check out our videos.